Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make assorted pepper soup today. Yeah, these are the ingredients I use in making this delicious pepper soup. Oh my god, if you taste this pepper soup, you will know. Let me not just go there until the end, you see for yourself. Yeah, you can see Assorted the fresh pepper, onions, crayfish. Yeah, inside the black plate, you can see my Maggi cubes, salt, and pepper soup spices. Yeah, this is me adding the blended Assorted fresh pepper into the pepper soup. Preparing it. Then this is my seasoning cube. I just added into the Assorted. Yeah, I added also. I used different cubes. I used another. This one I'm adding now is chicken flavor. The first one I added was beef. This one is chicken flavor. I just wanted to, So this one is the spices and my sea salt. Yes, that's sea salt. This is sea salt. I normally like using sea salt to make my food. Actually, that's what I use in making my food. Don't worry, in the comment section I will tell you the rest. Yeah, this is me adding crayfish. Oh my god, let me tell you a story. See this crayfish. If any day I don't add crayfish in the food I'm making for my man, that day it's like I'll be going back to my father's house. But guys, I know you guys won't want that for me. I know you won't want that for me at all. This man that God prepared specially for me, I cannot lose God without stress. God prepared especially for me. I cannot eat crayfish. Eat crayfish. That's by the way. So after adding the seasoning, I stirred it. After stirring it, I added a little water. The water I added, this amount of water is not enough to cook the pepper soup, but I had to use it to cook it so that it will get so when the assorted becomes soft, then I added another water for the main pepper soup. So after the pepper soup must have softened it. Then I added much water to it. So at the end, this is what it looks like. Yeah, you can see how it's very high. Everything is looking sumptuous. Everything is looking sumptuous, so delicious, so yummy. Yeah, so by this time I washed the leaf and cut the leaf and added the leaf. Look at this now, it's giving everything. Guys, you have to try this. Just glue yourself to my channel. I tell you, you must learn one recipe. Learn at least one recipe. Look at this pepper soup now. Just look at it. It's giving everything. Thank you guys. Please just support me. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for everything. I appreciate you guys. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.